Hi, I'm Sean, and you're watching my channel Shopworks, and gonna fire this grader up today. I got the glow plugs done a while back, and it's been too soft to move it, but we're below freezing right now. So time to fire it up, drive it out of the muddy, soft stuff around here while it's froze, and get her up to the shop and do the rest on it. So we'll get at her. Like I say, it's below freezing, so we'll see how she starts. Kick the glow plugs on. Might not start. So the grader was parked here about 5 months ago and hasn't been touched since till I did the glow plugs a few days back. So it's been sitting a while. I'm not sure if this was air or just hard getting her going with the glow plugs, but I know that UD 236 in there, I guess, is hard to start with even when it's warm. So I just adjusted the throttle so it was in the middle there. Figured we'd give her another kick at the cat here. And apparently that's what happens when you shut the glow plugs off too early. So I guess we'll fire her up once more. So fins up for the next several minutes here. I'm toggling that glow plug switch on and off there, trying to keep it running, but I'm not trying to burn out those glow plugs. I'm not sure if that's a common occurrence. I'm hoping a few of these people watching here have some ideas on this UD 236 there, whether it's normal or what the deal is. Like I say, it's fairly new to me. It's the first one I've got, and hopefully people will share some information. So stuff on this, I appreciate it if you pass it on. So this goes chugging on and off for quite a few minutes actually. I chopped a lot out of here. And all of a sudden it was just like somebody flipped the switch, just revved up and idled nice. tachometer drive. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll try to keep it coming.